So hello to everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to do the lab activity number 1 for Sauron. So starting first, what you need is of course an internet connection, and you should have Visual Studio installed. So from this example, I have this installed. So para sa gawa tayo ng okay, so first things first, install muna natin para gumana ng PHP is yung server natin. So in this example, we will be using Laragon. But you can also use XMP, WAMP, or any other XAMPP or XMP, XAMPP, WAMP, or any other servers you want. But in this case, we will be using Laragon. Of course, in Laragon, you can just download it, install it, tapos ang sunod mong gagawin sa Laragon, kung install siya, is tools, X mo lang to, tools, what is this, quick app? No. Tools, quick add, and then add mo lang si PHP my admin para makakano ka ng PHP my admin. So start natin to. Just say yes, then lagay tayo sa yes to these things. Kailangan yan tayo sa database natin para mabuksan si PHP. Test lang to ha, dito kailangan, pero mas maganda kung download nyo. Tapos after that, meron na kayong server, screenshot nyo na to. Ito yung pakita nyo sa server nyo. Next thing we have is Git. So to install Git, you just need to go to the site, install Git. So I'll click the site here. Parang sadali, ayan. Then download nyo itong x64 probably, and then install it, blah blah blah. Tapos yan, install mo. Tapos pagkatapos ng pag-install mo na, kailangan mapakita doon ay yung version. So punta ka ng CMD, go Windows key, and then search CMD and just enter. You don't need any administrative privileges. Then go to git/b. Okay, pag nakuha mo na yan, goods na. Tapos naman, kung okay na yan, next is some Composer. So tulad lang, download mo lang to, and again, I'll give the link in the description siguro. Yan, tapos pagkatapos nyo na-install mo na, basta for me, tapos pupili ka dun sa sa install mo na PHP, and then pagkatapos ng Composer/b, malabas yan. So after that, screenshot mo na to. Sabihin natin, screenshot natin si Git, ayan, screenshot natin to, and then screenshot natin to para kay Composer. Tapos na ang dalawa, tapos na ang Git, tapos na ang Composer. Now, ang kailangan talaga natin is GitHub account. So mag-sign in ka sa GitHub account mo, madali lang naman yan. Basta mag-sign in ka, tapos i-hover mo lang to, kaya yan, profile, screenshot mo lang yung profile mo, okay na. Sa render, mas maganda gawin mo dahil mayroon ka na GitHub account, is just go get to building and punta ka sign up, then just sign in with your GitHub account. So in this case, sign in ko gamit to, pero basta sign in with your GitHub account dashboard. As you can see, GitHub account ko. GitHub account siya, pero yun yung so just sign in, ayun ang GitHub, sign up, yun yung magagawa mo para mas madali yung proseso mo. So pagkatapos nun, so get to building, sign up ako with using your GitHub. Gawin mo lang to sa dalawa sa ibang surrender para dire-diretso ka na. After that, just cover dun, makita mo yun, diba, profile ko, cover this, screenshot it, and yun, tapos ka na sa Ivan. And same with render, cover that, screenshot, tapos na sa render and Ivan. Next, Labalast. Okay, so punta ka sa site na to, labalast.netlify.app, go to read the docs, and then go to installation guide, and mas maganda gawin mo, go to method to git clone. So para magawa yan, pindutin nyo lang yung git clone, tapos i-copy nyo lang to, and then pag nagawin nyo is buksan yung visual, go to a new folder. Oops, okay, file, open folder, gawa ka na bagong folder for this example. So gawa tayo ng example folder, yan, select folder mo lang yan. Tapos after that, right click, open Integral, just trust mo lang, and then right click, and then open Integral terminal, then i-paste mo yung kinapin mo kanina, git clone. Basta magana to pag ginawa mo na yung first step na install si Composer tsaka si Git. So enter mo lang, tapos yung cloning na yan, Mabilis lang naman siya depending on your internet connection. And then yun, may Labalas ka na. After that, para sure, okay na, diba, may Labalas ka na. So to run Labalas, basic lang to. Kung gusto mo pong magkaroon ng information, pumunta ka na lang sa documentation, nandito naman siya. So ito yung nalagay ko sa akin. And then para mag-ano siya, gagawin mo lang PHP laba run. Okay, that did not work kasi kailangan mo muna i-cd. Dapat nandito ka sa folder ng Labalas. So of course, pagkatapos yan, Labalas. Ayan. Dapat ang yung terminal is nasa Labalas. Okay? Bye-bye. PHP laba run. Enter. Tapos yun. Malabas na yung ating server. After that, just control and then left click. And then yun. You have your Labalas framework and that's it. You're done with Labalas framework. And I hope this helps because, yeah, it's fairly easy. Just follow my steps and you'll be fine. If you have any more problems, go to my portfolio and you can contact me here. Have question for you just want to connect, just input your name, your email, and then your problem. That's it, and thank you.